Happy Thursday, fifth graders. Welcome to your word work lesson. We have learned the idioms smell a rat. This is when you sense that something is not right, when you suspect wrongdoing or deception, to realize that something is not as it is supposed to be. To ring a bell means when something sounds familiar. It makes someone remember something or to recall something experienced previously. And if you say that people are coming out of the woodwork, this means you are criticizing them for suddenly appearing in public or revealing their opinions when previously they did not make themselves known. So, what does it mean now? The idiom beat it, to beat it. So it doesn't literally mean to beat someone or punch someone. It's an imperative, meaning like a command. So it means go away, leave me alone. Sentence. In the Watsons Go to Birmingham on page 98, Mr. Watson told Byron to clean up the hair mess in the bathroom, then stay in his room. The text says, "This is it, By. You're old enough now, and you've been told enough. This time, something's going to be done. Now beat it." So he's telling him, go away. So instead of saying, go away, leave me alone, you could say to your sibling, beat it. I'm trying to do my work. We're working on the suffix iv, which means in nature of. We've learned protective, inquisitive, and active. So all of these describe the nature of a person. So someone can be protective, they can be inquisitive, meaning they like to ask questions, and they can be active. They like to be busy doing things. They like to help protect others. So today we have the word attentive, attentive. Kenny is very attentive when it comes to Bai's actions and knows all of the bad things he has done to deserve spending the summer with Grandma Sands. What does the word attentive mean? It means listening to or watching someone carefully because you are interested, or making sure someone has everything they need. So in this case, this is the definition for this sentence. Like Kenny is carefully listening and watching what Bai does and knows all the things he's done wrong. And we could say that our parents are attentive of us. They make sure that we have everything that we need. They pay attention to us, so they're attentive to us. We are learning the Greek root auto, which means self. We've learned automatic. Automatically, something that is automatic is designed to work without needing someone to operate it. We've learned automobile, a car, and we learned autograph, a signature written by someone famous. So I'm going to add that here. But today we have the word autobiography. Autobiography. Look at all the parts. So it has auto, which means self. It has the Greek root bio, which means life. And it has the Greek root graph, which means write. So all of these roots help us to know this word. It is a book in which someone writes about their own life. That's an autobiography. Here's an image to show you. This is an autobiography someone wrote about their own life. Here's a sentence as an example. If Byron wrote an autobiography, it would have many details of all of the bad things he has done, although in his mind, maybe they're not as bad as he thinks. I bet if he wrote his own autobiography, we would get a sense of why he's done some of the things he's done, and maybe he doesn't really think they're that bad in his perspective, but in everyone else's perspective, he's done so many bad things and has misbehaved so much. So we've learned autobiography today, attentive, and beat it. Great job, fifth graders.